Alright, I figured I better document this before I forget, which I already have started to forget. This bass track is RTV 148. I have 2 of them. I had some rivets that didn't go down, but no biggie, they're tight. I bought a couple kits because I have a few different projects going. So this bass is the RCP 79. So they go into, the bass is just this piece and this piece. This, I don't remember the part number of the leg. I got these from a Pioneer platform from the Facebook Marketplace. So I do not have the doors, and it actually came with the top plate. So you got bass, you got leg, and then you need an adapter. I think those are called the 5mm adapters. They are called this, yeah, 5mm HD spacer. And then on top, I'm using the Rhino HD bar that will get onto this clamp. But to get to this point, I don't remember what the deal, because I had, like I said, I got a bunch of random parts. I want to say that this is what came with these, but they're too big to fit in there. And these top pieces, these clamps, are not wide enough to do the job. But these, I don't know exactly where they came from. But if it was in the kit and I just overlooked it, if they came with 2 different sizes, if they came with a small one and a bigger one, the instructions, you know, they're worthless. They just say it's a 6mm 30 by 25. Oh, you know what? These smaller ones, they came with these legs. These are the RTL 600. So these small ones are actually supposed to go up underneath. That's why I have 8 of them. So that makes sense, because I only am using 6. And I have 2 extras. But yeah, so these ones came originally with it. They're too big. They're a couple millimeters too big, or too wide. So good luck tracking that down. I don't know if they have a part number in the RTL 600 list kit, but look, they do. It's maybe the N068. 24 by 24. That makes sense, because this other one here was 30 by 25. So you need 24 by 24 to get inside that track. You can trim those down or just buy those or do whatever. But this seems like it's going to work out pretty good. I'll have my awning and solar panels up in no time.